अस्सलाम वालेकुम। आज हम रेस्पिरेशन का पार्ट 3 पढ़ने जा रहे हैं। आज हम पढ़ेंगे रेस्पिरेशन और ब्रीदिंग के दरमियान व्हाट इज़ द डिफरेंस बिटवीन रेस्पिरेशन एंड ब्रीदिंग। बहुत से लोग ऐसा सोचते हैं कि जो रेस्पिरेशन है और जो ब्रीदिंग है ये सेम प्रोसेस है। एक्चुअली इट इज़ नॉट लाइक दैट, क्योंकि वो रेस्पिरेशन का जो दूसरा एस्पेक्ट है उसको वो इग्नोर करते हैं। देयर इज़ ए बिग डिफरेंस बिटवीन रेस्पिरेशन एंड ब्रीदिंग। व्हेन वी talk about respiration has got two different aspects. Number one, internal respiration and external respiration. When we talk of internal respiration, what is happening during the process of respiration? So oxidation of food that comes under internal respiration. क्योंकि जो रेस्पिरेशन है ये इंटरनली हो जाती है और हम देख भी नहीं सकते हैं। आफ्टर दैट comes external respiration. External respiration talks about exchange of gases because that is something which is happening externally. When we breathe, we are actually taking in oxygen and giving out carbon dioxide. So that is external respiration. तो कहाँ हम कैसे रेस्पिरेशन और ब्रीदिंग को डिफ्रेंशिएट करेंगे यहाँ पे। पॉइंट नंबर 1 ये है कि जो रेस्पिरेशन है ये है बायोकेमिकल प्रोसेस और जो ब्रीदिंग है ये है फिजिकल प्रोसेस। So breathing is all about that means taking in and giving out. So that it is all about breathing. जो ब्रीदिंग है उसमें कोई केमिकल इक्वेशन इन्वॉल्व नहीं हो जाती है। सो इट इज़ जस्ट अ फिजिकल प्रोसेस। तो जब हम बात करेंगे रेस्पिरेशन की, इट इज़ ए बायोकेमिकल प्रोसेस। ये एक बायोकेमिकल प्रोसेस है। बायोकेमिकल मीन्स some chemical reactions taking place in different parts of the living organisms. For example, the oxidation of food takes place inside the body, so some chemical reactions are actually happening. Number second है respiration is both extracellular and intracellular. That means within the cell certain things are happening. For example, oxidation of food takes place within the cells. That is intracellular, but at the same time there are some extra things happening. That is the exchange of gases. But breathing is all about extracellular. It is just exchange of gases. Number third, enzymes action involved. In respiration, enzymes action involved because in respiration chemical equation is involved. Therefore, enzyme actions are involved. In breathing, no enzymes involved. So, number fourth point is in respiration, energy is released, and in breathing, no energy is released. Number fifth point, in respiration, all body cells are involved. That means the oxidation of food takes place in each and every cell of the body, whereas in breathing only certain organs are involved. Thanks, dear students.